Open your PayMaya app. If you don't have PayMaya app yet, you can download it from Google Play Store if you're using an Android phone, or App Store for iPhone users. Log in to your PayMaya mobile app. Choose the bills icon. Choose water utility. Select Equiland Property Management Corporation. On the Pay Bills page, type the account number. Input the amount you wish to pay. Click Continue. Confirm the details of the transaction. If everything looks good, on the upper right corner, click Pay. This page contains a summary of your transaction. A notice that the transaction has been completed will be sent to you. You may also take a screenshot of your transaction. You may check your activity list to see the status and details of the transaction. This page will tell you that your transaction has been completed. That's it. Thank you for watching.